Sensibility and practicality define the 2017 Chevrolet Camaro. This two-door, four-passenger coupe stands out among competitors in its class. Chevrolet made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include front fog lights, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, power front seats, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Come on in and take a test drive.